Welcome seasoned farmers to Trending Farm. Known for their strength and survival skills, alligators are not only a cultural icon in many parts of the United States, but also have great economic value. Check out our latest farming documentary to learn more about these values. Alligators are culturally and economically significant in the United States, particularly in southern states such as Louisiana and Florida. Historically, they have been a symbol of the region's wild, untamed swamps and marshes, attracting attention through activities such as alligator shows and ecotourism. These reptiles contribute significantly to local economies, with alligator farming alone generating millions of dollars each year. In Louisiana, alligator sales reached over $77 million in 2014, while Florida contributed nearly $15 million in skin and meat sales in 2021. In addition to their economic value as products in farming documentaries, alligators play an important role in maintaining wetland ecosystems by controlling prey populations and creating habitat through their digging behavior. Sustainable management remains key to maintaining their ecological and economic importance. Transporting alligators to factories presents unique challenges that are different from transporting other livestock in farming documentaries. Alligators are sensitive to temperature changes, so they must be carefully managed to avoid overheating or dehydration, which can occur quickly if the animals are exposed to harsh conditions. To prevent these problems, alligators are often covered with wet sacks and must be provided with water regularly during transport, especially in hot conditions. Furthermore, their large size requires special handling techniques to avoid physical injury. For example, their limbs must be secured in a way that does not restrict blood circulation, and their heads, trunks, and tails must be carefully supported during transport to avoid injury to vital organs. Additionally, transport times are often minimized, as longer transport times increase stress on the animals. These factors make transporting alligators more complicated than other livestock. In a farming documentary about crocodile processing, the intricate journey from swamp to market is revealed, showcasing both the art and science of crocodile farming. One key moment is the use of air compressor machines to skin the reptiles. These machines inflate the skin, allowing it to be separated from the muscle tissue efficiently in just 30 minutes. A stark contrast to the hours of labor required with traditional methods. Workers in the farming documentary express their appreciation for this innovation, which reduces the physical strain and speeds up the entire process. After skinning, crocodile hides are salted to remove moisture and prevent decay. This essential step ensures the leather maintains its luxurious quality, as untreated skins are prone to mold and damage. Properly cured crocodile skin can fetch up to $300 per square foot. The alligator meat industry in the United States, particularly in states like Louisiana and Florida, has grown significantly in recent years. Louisiana alone hosts around 50 alligator farms, with the majority of its alligator meat production coming from these controlled farms rather than wild harvests. As the demand for alligator meat rises, prices have also increased, with wholesale costs for processed meat reaching $12 to $15 per pound. The nutritional benefits of alligator meat contribute to its growing popularity. It is low in fat and high in protein, with a typical 3.2-ounce serving containing just 232 calories and 46 grams of protein. Many diners appreciate its mild, slightly fishy taste, which is often compared to chicken or pork, depending on the cut. While it remains somewhat of an exotic choice, dishes like fried alligator or alligator ribs have found their way into mainstream restaurant menus, often being presented as part of special farming documentaries. The meat's affordability and its reputation for being a healthy alternative to more common proteins also make it a sought-after delicacy in many high-end restaurants. In the farming documentary, crocodile farms in the U.S. are mainly concentrated in Louisiana, Florida, and Texas, where warm climates provide ideal conditions for their growth. For optimal development, crocodiles require a controlled environment that includes access to both standing water and dry land. The farms must maintain specific temperatures, generally between 80 to 90 depth, and ensure that their enclosures offer sufficient space. Maintaining clean water quality is crucial, as poor water can impact both the health of the crocodiles and the quality of their hides. The investment in a crocodile farm is significant, with costs ranging from $200,000 to $500,000 annually, including feed, facility maintenance, and labor. One controversy surrounding crocodile farming in the farming documentaries involves debates over environmental impacts and animal welfare concerns. While farmers focus on sustainable practices, researchers argue that the confinement of crocodiles can lead to stress, which negatively affects the quality of the meat and hides. The logging industry in Central and South America plays a significant role in the global timber market, driven by the region's rich forest resources. Countries like Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador are major contributors, producing vast quantities of hardwoods and softwoods. In 2023, the region's timber exports were valued at approximately $6.7 billion, with Brazil alone accounting for over 30% of the total. The demand for timber, particularly for construction and furniture, continues to rise, with countries like China and the US being the primary consumers. Trends show a growing shift towards sustainable logging practices due to environmental concerns, with certified forests covering about 17 million hectares across the region. Despite the rise in sustainable initiatives, illegal logging remains a challenge, particularly in the Amazon, where deforestation rates have impacted the industry's long-term viability. The first step in the timber industry is planting the forest. Balsa and Paulownia, two of the lightest woods, are prized for their buoyancy and insulation properties. Balsa, native to Central and South American rainforests, has only 40% solid volume, making it extremely lightweight. To plant these trees, the soil must be tilled 24 inches deep for good drainage. Paulownia seeds are sown in early spring, spaced 6 to 10 feet apart, while balsa is planted at 400 to 600 trees per acre. Regular irrigation is crucial in the first 2 years, with each tree needing 8 to 13 gallons of water weekly in dry areas. Paulownia grows up to 50 to 65 feet, and balsa to 65 to 100 feet within 3 to 5 years. By year 5 to 7, both species are ready for selective harvesting. Balsa plantations in Ecuador cover thousands of acres, producing 3.5 million cubic feet of timber annually, while Paulownia is expanding rapidly in Asia. Light timber trees like balsa and paulownia are typically ready for harvest between 5 to 7 years after planting, depending on growth conditions and tree health. These species grow rapidly, reaching suitable sizes for timber harvesting within this time frame. Modern timber harvesting involves the use of advanced industrial machinery to ensure efficiency and sustainability. Feller bunchers are commonly used to cut and gather trees in a single process, while skidders or forwarders transport the felled trees to central collection points. Afterward, harvesters equipped with computer systems strip the branches and cut the logs to precise lengths, preparing them for transportation. In Central and South America, timber is often transported to manufacturing plants using trucks for short distances and barges or trains for longer distances, especially in regions with well-developed waterways or rail infrastructure. In more remote areas, tractors with trailers or even animal-drawn carts may be used for transporting timber to the nearest road or port before loading onto larger vehicles for processing at timber mills or factories. In state-of-the-art wood processing plants, logs measuring up to 11.4 inches in radius are meticulously transformed into flat, uniform boards through a series of advanced manufacturing techniques. The journey begins with debarking machines that efficiently strip away the outer bark, preparing the wood for cutting. Following this, primary sawmills, equipped with robust circular or band saws, slice the logs into squared sections or cants, typically measuring around 1 meter, 3.3 feet in length. These cants are further processed in gang saws or edger machines, which can cut up to 12 boards simultaneously, ensuring uniform thickness of about 2.5 cm 1 inch. To achieve a smooth, polished finish, the boards then pass through planing machines that remove 1 to 3 mm of material from each side. Finally, the graded boards are placed in drying kilns that operate at temperatures of 140 to 176 degrees to reduce moisture content to below 12%, ensuring durability and preventing warping. This seamless integration of cutting-edge technology and precision enhances efficiency while maximizing yield and quality, transforming raw logs into high-demand timber products. In Central and South America, the final step in wood processing involves inspecting and packaging finished products to meet industry standards. Evaluation typically follows ISO 9001 quality management standards, ensuring consistency and customer satisfaction, along with regulations from the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, that mandate sustainable sourcing. Inspectors assess dimensions, surface quality, and moisture content, which should remain below 12%. Qualified inspectors often hold at least a bachelor's degree in forestry or wood science and possess certifications in quality control and relevant regulations. For packaging, wooden boards are stacked in bundles of 50-100 pieces and secured with metal or plastic strapping, then covered with protect tarps to shield against moisture and dust. Clear labeling is essential, including product type, dimensions, and destination. This meticulous packaging process ensures safe transport by truck, minimizing risks and adhering to regional safety standards to maintain product integrity. Have you used wood for your items? How do you rate their quality? Leave a comment below the film and don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm channel so you don't miss out on new topics in our journey of discovery. See you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.